Hey guys, welcome to this free course of Quora where we will going to teach you how you can get a lot of free traffic from Quora to your website. We will going to give you exact strategy so that your answer on Quora will going to rank on top. Then we will also going to guide you how you can select the correct answer for which you have to write your answer so that you can get the exact result at a very less time. Then we will also going to share with you how free materials, if you will integrate with Quora, how that will going to help you. That is what we will going to cover inside this course as well. Then we will also going to teach you the command that you have to put on ChatGPT to write the correct answer for the Quora. Then we will going to give you all the tips to write the answer in a proper way. Okay, so you can just utilize all the resources which we will going to give you inside this course. Okay, so make sure that you watch this course from starting to end. It will really going to provide you valuable knowledge. Okay, so I will see you guys inside this free course so I can teach you how you can get free traffic with Quora and using AI tools like ChatGPT. So let's start with setting up Quora for marketing. Okay, so it's very much important that we need to set up the Quora. Okay, so we will be teaching you each and everything from the scratch. Okay, so you can just simply go to any browser and just search for the Quora. Okay, and then you will going to see the very first link, that is Quora.com. So just click on this link and it will going to take you guys to the Quora.com website. Okay, and from here you can just automatically click here and it will going to sign up, but I will going to show you the manual method. Okay, you can even just click on this continue with Google even to just sign up here. Okay, but in case I'm just giving you manually, so you all can just go with that. So you just need to copy the email address. Okay, just right click and paste your email address, and then just okay, so it's a login one. So here you will see this sign up with email. Okay, so in case if you already have an account, so you can just log in from here, but in our case it's we need to create a fresh account. Okay, so we will going to click on sign up with email, and from here my friends you can even choose the preference. For example, it's Hindi, in Hindi language, so it may show you some related language according to your country, but we will be clicking on the sign up with email. Okay, then it will going to ask you to put your name. Okay, so I can just put, let's say, demo. Okay, and then I can just put my email address. So whatever email address you have, you can just put that over here. Okay, or I can say let's say free guide, something like this. Okay, or let's say free guide only, or let's say free courses, something like this. Okay, so whatever you want to, you can just put that name. Okay, and then it will just going to ask you for the confirmation. So just go to your Gmail box, and then you guys will basically going to see email will be sent by the Quora for the email confirmation. Okay, so you just need to right click and copy this code. Okay, sometimes it doesn't copy at a first shot, so just right click and copy this properly, or manually put that number. I will just paste that number over here, and I will just going to click on this next button, and then you can just set the password. Then select I am not a robot, then click on finish button, and then you have successfully set up your account on Quora. So as in the lectures we have just taught you that if you just create your Quora account, okay, so in that Quora account, my friends, you all know that it will going to ask you some interest. Okay, so let me just show you guys. Okay, okay, let me just show you, but here only I have just taught you one stuff. Okay, let me just show you so I can just make you guys understand. Okay, so here you guys can see that it will going to customize the Quora feed, right? And okay, simplest, streamline, curious. Okay, so here it is. So here you can see that we have just told you that people follow the topics. Okay, so basically here if you will just going to go with the Quora. Okay, so here you have to choose that particular topic which you think will be very much relevant to your business and the topics at which you guys are interested. Okay, so you have to select that particular option. For example, I am, you know, I want to go with the marketing. So after you will going to choose the marketing, it will just going to give you more stuff, like digital marketing is one. Okay, so when I selected the digital marketing, so it has given me all the relevant options related to digital marketing. Okay, so just first select the main niche. Maybe it can be health for you, cooking for you, or whatever it is. Okay, and then after I do this, I can just search for digital advertising, let's say startup strategy, okay, e-commerce businesses, and then I can also just go with the artificial intelligence as well. I'm also that very much interested on that topic as well. Okay, so I can just go up and I can just see whether I can just get the relevant topics over here or not. Okay, so if you're from journalism, so the concept is very simple. You just need to select the topics at which you guys are interested. So I have chosen mine. You can even go with the online. Okay, and then you can see plenty of options you will going to get. Then click on this OK button, and then you can see Quora is personalizing feed for you according to the topic you have chosen. Okay, so you can see, great, right? So in this way, my friends, you guys can easily create a Quora account. Now the next thing is that you just need to click on this profile photo. Okay, and you can just click here on your profile, and from here, my friends, you can see the pencil icon. So from here you can just put your, you know, business name or your profile pic, whatever you want to. If you want to edit the name, you can just edit it from here. Okay, so it will going to show you the edit name option, and then here you have to put the add profile credentials. Like here you can see, in my case I have put this. Okay, so it's my girlfriend's Quora account. So here you can see you can just put anything, something like this, like your add your profile credentials. Okay, so you can just put where you work on. Okay, so like, you know, if you are let's say e-commerce expert in, let's say, India or United States, whatever you want to choose, just go with that. It will going to pop up here, and then you have to put the relevant description about yourself. Okay, so you just need to click there and you can just say, hey, I have some kind of experience. Okay, like here you can see I can just copy paste this one. Okay, just for an example. Okay, and the best thing is that here you can just put your website link. Visit my website. Okay, so for example, if you have some website, so in my case it's Coca-Cola's website. I will just go to my website, and this is my website. So I will simply going to, you know, copy the URL of my URL of the website. Okay, let me just go to the website. Okay, so this is my website. So I will just copy the link, right click, and I will just going to copy the link. I will go here and I will just going to select this one. Okay, and click on this a text. Then it will going to give me various options. So I will select this link option. I will right click and paste the link over here, and then I will going to click on this add button. Okay, so now what you have done is that you have given backlink to your website as well. Okay, so if you guys know about search engine optimization, even if you have some little idea about the search engine optimization, so you might know that we require backlinks from the different websites. So if you can see from your from the Quora, you have put the link of your website. So from Quora you will going to get the backlink for your website. Okay, so this is a great way that you put on your bio, because many people come to your bio and they just read about your work, okay, or about your business, and they can even click on visit my website, so they will just go to your website. Then click on this update button. Okay, and in this way they can just read here, and if someone will going to click here on visit my site, so you can see they can just go to your website, and in this way you will going to get social signal, or you can say backlink from Quora. This will going to give a very good image in front of search engines like Google and Yahoo as well. So you have got free backlinks from the Quora as well. Okay, so make sure you guys do this as well, and make sure that according to your business you have to write the description. Okay, for example, here you can just again click on edit, and if you want to customize anything you can. Okay, like here in our case you can see GMO. Okay, it's the name of the profile, and here we have just put the fitness and marketing coach, and then we have told that she is a digital marketing and she is kind of more interested in health as well. So according to that, create your profile. Okay, so make sure that your name is not compulsory, but your subtitle and your description must be matched. For example, it's e-commerce, so e-commerce comes under digital marketing and all that stuff. So make sure you just do this properly, and from here you can just add your credentials and highlight details like your employment credentials. So it's not compulsory to put, but I suggest you guys to put it over here. Okay, like here we have done, you can see digital marketing, self-employment, all these details are given over here. Okay, so similarly this is how it will going to look like. So make sure you guys just put it over here. Okay, and after you guys just do this, so you guys are good to go, and you have successfully created and set up your account on Quora. Okay, so make sure you guys just do this thing. Okay, and this is the most important settings to do. Okay, and guys, one more thing before I just forget, you can just answer any questions from here. Just click on this button, and then Quora will definitely going to suggest you some of the questions which you guys can answer according to the topic or interest you have chosen while creating your account on Quora. Okay, so like here you can see where do you get the best lead generation service. Okay, and you can just even refresh the page as well. Okay, and then you can see more of the questions over here. Okay, so this is how it works, and if you want to answer anything, you can just click on this answer button, and you can just give the answer to that question. That's it. Okay, so in this way basically we have just created our account on Quora. Okay, we have chosen the topic of interest while creating account on Quora, creating an attractive profile, because it's very much important that you properly put your profile photos and everything. You just need to click on the profile tab and make sure that you just put each and everything properly. Okay, like here you can see our profile is looking 100% attractive. So reason behind that is very simple. Just put the profile pic, set up your this all informations, and you guys are good to go. And you can just optimize your bio. Okay, using the same relevant information for what purpose you have created your account. Okay, and make sure that you put your website link as well to optimize your bio, and you can just find the questions you can answer from here as well. Okay, so that's what about this lecture. After you will going to basically create your Quora account, it's very much also important to create one ChatGPT account. Okay, so it's a very easy task. So you can just simply search for ChatGPT on your browser. Okay, and then you will come then you will basically going to see this link, that is OpenAI. Okay, openai.com. You just need to click on this particular link, then you will come to the main landing page for the ChatGPT, and from this product tab, okay, you can just select the ChatGPT. That's it. And from here my friend, you guys can see the option to sign up or login. So you can, if you are totally new, so just click on the sign up button, and then you guys can just put your email, continue with password and all, or you can even sign up using the Google, Microsoft or Apple. Okay, so it's very easy task, and after you will going to do that, it will going to ask you the phone number, and it will also verify that phone number, okay, by one time password, that is OTP. So make sure that you just do that. It's very simple, okay, very easy. Anyone can do that, and after you will going to do that, you will be basically able to create a ChatGPT account. Okay, so in my case, if I will just going to show you, so basically it after you will going to create your account, so always go to this link, that is chat.openai.com. okay, and then you will come to the ChatGPT tool. Okay, and this is the interface of ChatGPT. Okay, so now we will going to talk about the benefits of Quora. Okay, so see, before we just proceed further, so not only I will going to teach you about the some benefits, but along with that, it will basically going to motivate you why you should go with the Quora. Okay, my friends, if we just talk about the Quora, so the first thing is that top answers get huge visibility. Okay, so that's a very good thing. So for example, when you will come to the Quora, okay, so you will going to see that you will going to have plenty of basically questions. Let's say, does digital marketing have a future for us? Okay, so if I will just going to click on this question, so you can see that this is the question, and you can see many people have answered this question, right? Many people have answered this question. So now, my friends, the top question, okay, basically if you will just going to see the top question, so it has only go 34 views, because this question is very much new. If we just talk about this question, so this question has been published just one day ago, because if I just show you the today's date, so today is 9th of July, okay, so in Sunday, and this question has been published on Friday, right? So you can see the first question will, or I can say first three questions will always going to have a good number of views. You can see this answer has 34 views, and you can see if we just go with the second question, so it has 7 views, okay, and the third answer here, if we can see here, it has 52 views. So always the top three answers will always going to get a good result, and most probably always the first answer get the most of the benefits, or I can say views. Okay, so sometimes this might happen that some people may love the second answer, okay, and they just going to engage with the second answer. So Quora will automatically going to put the second answer, okay, second position answer to the first position, right? So the main benefit, okay, you will going to get from the Quora is when your answer will be at very top of the Quora. So there is huge tricks and tips which I will going to explain you inside this free course. Okay, so make sure that you guys just watch this free course, right? Then second is the power of upvote. Okay, so you all know that Quora basically runs on the upvote. So here you can see upvote is basically nothing, it means like, you just like that answer. Okay, so whenever someone will come to your particular question, and if they read your answer, and if they will just going to click on this upvote button, so what will going to happen is that this answer will going to get more boost from the Quora, right? So ultimately it will going to get more visibility, and Quora will going to I can say push this answer in front of more people. So like is very much important. That means you have to write your answer in such a way that you always get upvote on your answer. That is very much important. Then third thing is that Quora answers rank on the search results. Now if you just go ahead, okay, for example, this is the question, okay, does digital marketing have a future for us? I will just copy this question, I will just paste this question, and when I will going to click on enter button, so you will going to find that this answer will also be visible, or I can say this type of answer will also be visible on the search engines. Okay, so you can see this is one related question related to that, and when you will scroll more and more down, so you will going to find more Quora questions, okay, on the search result. So basically the benefit is that, see, the most benefit you will always going to get is when you don't have your website and you want to get more exposure. Okay, so if you use Quora, because Quora domain has already have, you know, lots of domain authority. So if you know something about SEO, so every website rank easily when they will going to have huge domain authority. So Quora already has a huge domain authority. When you write answer on Quora, it automatically going to rank on search engines like Google and Yahoo, as well as Bing. Okay, so ultimately Quora will going to get directly traffic from the search engines, and if you work on Quora, so ultimately you will also be benefited. For example, you can see this is one question: what is the future scope of a digital marketing industry? Okay, so people will basically come here on your this Quora question, and if they will going to click here, okay, if they will going to click here, so they will be able to complete read this answer. Okay, so they can just read this answer from the starting to end. Okay, and suppose you have written this answer. Okay, so ultimately traffic will come from search engine to your Quora answer, and ultimately you will going to get a good traffic from here. You can see it has got 112 views and 8 upvotes and also some shares as well. So it's very much important, my friends, to have, you know, answer written on Quora, because ultimately or directly or indirectly it will only going to benefit you. Because suppose your website is totally new, so in that case you will going to have, you know, or it will going to take a plenty of time for your website to build domain authority in the front of search engines like Google and Yahoo. Okay, so it will not be so much possible for your website to rank. Okay, so you can always take the help of Quora, and ultimately it will going to benefit you, and it is also noticed by the major publications as well. So if I will just going to show you, if you will just go back, so you can see that we have this news over here. Okay, and suppose I write here, let's say Quora, and if I click on this news button, okay, on top, so you can see that public have, or big you know, big websites like Outlook India, okay, and the Hindu newspaper. So you might know about this big website. So what they do is that they just directly copy the, you know, answer from Quora itself by giving you know, credit to the person who has written this answer on Quora. So if you try to write your answer on Quora, so these big companies can take your answer and they can just publish on your or they can just publish in their, you know, website. So ultimately you will also going to get traffic from these websites as well. So in this way, my friends, ultimately you will going to get a lot of benefit from Quora. Okay, so you can just get more traffic, and you can utilize that traffic by sending that traffic to your website. Okay, so it's very much important to understand the power of Quora, and do not worry, inside this course we will exactly going to teach you how you can write your answer in a very proper way, so you can get a good amount of traffic using ChatGPT. Okay, so now the question arises, how to be at top? Because see, we have told you that top answers will get huge visibility, so that is very much important, so that we come at top. Okay, so you can only come to top with these 4 principles which I will going to teach you. First is that you have to look for the questions with 1000 views. Okay, so the first criteria will be on Quora is that you have to look for the questions with 1,000 views, and the second thing you have to do is that the question must have 5 answers. So you have to look for that question that will going to have 1,000 views as well as only 5 answers, or less than 5 will be more better. Okay, so for example, if we just go here, and earlier we were saying this question, that is, does digital marketing have a future for us? Okay, so here if you will just click on this particular question, so first thing is that we can already see that 13 people have answered this. So the first criteria, it is not matching. Okay, so we will going to stay away from this question because there's already huge competition. That means 13 people already have answered you. Okay, answered this particular question. So it's not a profitable for us. And the second thing is that when you just click on any question, okay, so here you guys will going to see the number of follows particularly this question has. Okay, so it only has two follows. Okay, or let's say 1,000 views. If you will just scroll down, so you can see these questions are basically getting 35 views, some are getting 53 views. So we can say that second criteria about, or I can say first criteria about 1,000 views. That means this question which we are seeing here, does digital marketing have a future for us? So the first criteria is not matching. That means this question is not getting that much views. Okay, so we can totally stay away from that because our two criteria, one is that it already has 13 answers, and second criteria is that it is not getting a good amount of views. So ultimately it's not a profitable you can say answer to write for this question. So we have to look for that question. If you will just go to your Quora homepage, so you can just search here on any topic you guys are interested. For example, I can, let's say, go for SEMrush tool, or even you can just go with any tool or any topic. Okay, for example, if I just click on this SEMrush topic, okay, so here I will going to find a plenty of questions, okay, which is better for SEO. Okay, SEMrush or Suffer SEO. Okay, so many people have already written the answer, and I can see it is getting kind of a good amount of views over here, and I will going to see here. So if I will click on this more button, so 26 views. So this topic I can just go with that because this is getting views actually. Okay, 97 views. Okay, and also see the date at which time. It's been 6 months. Okay, so in 6 months it has only got this much of views, but this to answer, it's published recently. Okay, and let's go with that. So it's also published recently and it has got 120 views, so it's basically enough. So the thing is that we can just go with that question of 1,000 views. Okay, so basically in this question for the SEMrush topic, our first criteria is matching, that is of 1,000 views. Now we have to see how many people have answered that question. Okay, so I can see the one person has written this answer, second person has written this answer, third person has written this answer, and similarly you can see fourth person has written this answer, 5%. So many people have written on this topic, so you have to increase the tail keyword. Okay, that means, for example, I can write, let's say, website traffic. Okay, I can just click on this topic, website traffic, and I can now check basically how many people are writing the answer. So here I can see that many people have written the answer, but views are, I guess it's enough. Let's check with some other answers as well. Okay, see, 6 views. Okay, so you can see there are plenty of people who have written the answer and they are getting the views as well, and they have recently written this one, but the answer is too much. That means many people have written this answer. Okay, but thing is that, my friends, okay, so there are answers, but you can see the people have written the answer in a so lump way. Okay, they have written very small answer, so we can just take the benefit here. Okay, because if I just go at the very first answer, so only this person has written that in a very long way. But if we going to use ChatGPT for that, okay, so even we can just beat this first answer as well. So we can just write the content with ChatGPT. Okay, so we can just easily become top answer on Quora, but you have to make sure that you try to meet with these two criterias. Okay, or if you will just go here on the answers tab, so you can also see some questions for you. Okay, so Quora will going to give you some questions. Okay, so here I can see that which platform is best for online investing. Only 2% has written this answer. Okay, so here is the possibility that I can also answer that, but let's open this and let's see what is the result. That means only 2 people has written, so I can see that I can also write this answer because it is getting good amount of views. And here Quora says that only 2 people have answered that. Okay, so I can just use this an opportunity. What I can do is that I can just click on this 3 dots, and here I can just click on this answer later. Okay, so in this way I can save it. Okay, and now if you will just go here on the draft, so here it will be saved inside the draft for this question. Okay, so I can just edit this question and I can start to write this question or answer for this question. Okay, so this is also a good option for me to just go ahead and write with this answer as well. So just explore it, because Quora has become kind of competitive in the coming few years. Okay, so we have to make sure that we just go in a very right way. Okay, so it may take some time for you to identify the question that must have 5 answer or less. Okay, and it is getting a good amount of views. Okay, 1000 views in total. Okay, people who have all answered, so at least it should get the 1000 views, right? Then you can easily become a top, because the main thing is that we have ChatGPT right now. That is very much important. Okay, so in this way, my friends, you can just go at the very top, and ultimately you will going to get huge visibility for your answer on any question. So now we will basically going to teach you the simple concept how you can send the traffic to your website. So see, my friends, for example, let's say this is one question which we have written. Okay, so what you have to do is that you must have something to send the traffic to. Okay, for example, it can be some kind of a newsletter on your website, or it can be some type of blog post. Okay, and here also you can put some of the newsletter. Okay, so what you first have to do is that on Quora you have to search for the related topic to your blog. Maybe your blog topic is, let's say, related to Canva. Okay, so you can just go ahead and you can just search on Quora Canva. Okay, and then you will see the topics that is relevant to Canva. And then, my friends, you have to search for that question according to the criteria which I have told you. That means it must have at least somehow 1000 views on all the answer. Okay, at least, and only max to max 5% or 5 answer should be there. Okay, so let's first go with that question. Okay, let's say how do I use Canva for digital marketing. Okay, so suppose this is one question. Okay, so you can see that this is one question, right? You can just click on this question. Okay, sorry, it's not question, it's about the quote, but let's go with some other question. Okay, so like how do I use Canva Pro for free for lifetime? Let's say this is one question. Okay, so now my friends, you should know that your blog is related to Canva Pro course. That means it is somehow related to Canva pricing and benefits. But here a person's or people are asking how they can basically get the Canva Pro for free for lifetime, right? So this is the question they are asking. They want the Pro plan for free for lifetime. So that is actually not possible, because you all know that every Pro features in Canva comes with an cost, right? So here let's say in my case I am providing some of the material. Okay, I am saying to people that if they are interested in buying in Canva Pro, so they can purchase from us. Okay, for example, we have a special link for India customers, that means people living in India. So we say that we will going to give them Canva Pro for lifetime for just $20. Okay, so just for $20 they will going to get Canva Pro for lifetime. So I can write this answer in such a way that I can tell to that people basically with the answer on this question. I can just tell that you cannot get Canva Pro for free in any way, but we will going to provide you the service where we will going to charge $20 and we can give you the Canva Pro account for lifetime. Even you can see this is the second link. Okay, so here you can see that it will it's for the international customer. Means people living in, let's say, whole world, like if they are living in United States, UK, Australia, Canada, so they can just purchase with this link with Canva Pro. Same, we will going to give them Canva Pro for lifetime. Okay, just for $20. Okay, and they can also purchase the Canva Pro from the Canva's official website. Okay, they can just go to Canva's website, and here you can see that this is my affiliate link. If you will just go here, and this is my affiliate link. So here, with this particular blog I am making money. Okay, see, a person can come to this blog, they can just read it. Okay, and if they are interested they can just purchase from the official website. So here also I have put in my affiliate link. Okay, so if they will make payment in the Canvas website, still I will going to make money. If they will buy from some other link, still I will going to make money. And the another benefit is that you can see in my website I have this newsletter form. Even if they will not going to purchase anything, so they can give me their email for getting some knowledge. So I can at least get their email address. Okay, so I can just do further marketing. So the concern is that whenever you create any or whenever you want to basically write any answer on Quora, first you have to understand the purpose why you should send the traffic from Quora to your website. For example, here I have got one motive that I have a Canva blog. Okay, so I can basically link this blog to this particular question. I can just answer this question, and then I can write some of the answer. We will going to teach you how you can write the answer with the help of ChatGPT. And after you will going to write that, you just need to link that answer with your this particular blog. Okay, so what will going to happen, people after they will going to read your answer, they will just click on the link and they will just go to your website, and from here they can either sign up, okay, for your newsletter, or they can just buy from your affiliate link, or they can just come to your blog, and maybe you're running some kind of Google AdSense, so you can even make money from that. So there are lots of benefit. Okay, so the thing is that whatever blog, for example here, if you will scroll down at very bottom, we have some free courses. Okay, so we have some free courses. So let me just go here. Of course you can come to my website and you can also learn some free courses. We have plenty of amazing free courses. For example, let's say this is one course that is related to Facebook ads. Okay, so I can bring the traffic for this motive of this course, right? So what I can do, like I have searched for the Canva Pro, so what I can do next is that I can just go here on the search and I can write something that is related to Facebook ads. Okay, and then I can just search for this Facebook ads topic, and now I will going to search for some question which is very much related to this particular course. Okay, so I can get benefit. Okay, so basically see, for example, here some people have written what are the some tips for effective Facebook ad. Okay, so what I can do is that I can just click on this question and I can answer this question, and I can answer in such a way that at end I will going to tell to the people who are reading my answer that I have one free course on my website which you can join, that will going to help you a lot. Okay, for your Facebook ads. Because okay, so with that course you can basically identify your target audience, you can just get the guidance. Okay, you can create your audience, you can optimize performance of your ad, create highly ads using ChatGPT. Okay, for your Facebook ads. So the thing is that, my friends, you only have to search that topic on Quora, where okay, you only have to search for that topic where on your website that topic must be, you know, related. For example, this is the free course I have, so I can just you know, create one content on Quora that is very much relevant to this topic. Okay, so I can just write some of the answer and then I can provide the link. Like here you guys can see, if possible let me show you guys. Not here. Okay, like here you can see it's for the real estate course. Okay, and I have written some of the answer, and at end I have provided the link, and after they will click on this link they will go to this newsletter for the real estate. Okay, so ultimately I can just get the lead. So you guys are getting some idea, right? So you only have to write the answer that will going to take any user to your website. Okay, and when they will come to your website, so that wherever they will come on your website, so that particular web page must be related to your Quora answer. Okay, for example, if I will going to write this answer for the effective Facebook tips. Okay, so here I will going to provide my Facebook ads free course link, and if I will going to write this Canva Pro for lifetime, so here I will going to provide the blog link. Okay, where is my blog link? I guess I have lost it, sorry. Okay, wait, let me show you guys. If I will just go okay, so here we have this link. Okay, so when I will going to write the Canva related topic, so here I will going to post the link of my blog. So this is what you need to do. First you have to see your website, what is the purpose you can bring the traffic on your website. Okay, and according to that you can just write the content. Okay, for example, if I will going to show you more, for example, if I just go to free courses again, let's say I have, let's say free course also on Google Tag Manager. So this is the purpose, I can bring the traffic from Quora to my website. So I again go to, let's say, Google, and I will search here Google Tag Manager. Okay, I will search for this topic for the Google Tag Manager, and I will going to find very much related question. Okay, campaign tags. Okay, so for example, this person is asking how do I tag myself, my website in Google Analytics. Okay, so here I can just give this answer if I will just click here. Okay, so now I can answer this. Now this is related to Google Tag Manager. Okay, so here I will going to write one answer, and then at end I will going to provide the link for this Google Tag Manager course. So in this way you can just get the very much benefit. Okay, so never do something like this. For example, you are just talking about Google Tag Manager, and you are sending the traffic to your home page of your website. Okay, so that will be very much unrelevant, because people will come on your website, so they are not interested to know about your product and service. What they want to learn is about the Google Tag Manager. For example, this topic is about the Google Tag Manager, right? So if you send the traffic from Quora to your website, so make sure that topic which you for which you will going to write the answer on Quora. Okay, so that topic, after people will go to your website, so that topic or that answer must be very much relevant to the topic that is on your website. Okay, so people will going to engage on your website, and they will going to do a lot of tasks on your website, and ultimately the bounce rate of your website will decrease, and people will going to enjoy your product and service, and then they can even going to help you to make money. Okay, so this is what you have to do for the Quora. Okay, so always remember that first go to your website, create content. For example, I create free courses, so similarly you can create some free blogs or content. So whatever blog you are writing, so related to that blog, search for that topic on Quora and write the answer, and then link that answer with your that particular blog. Okay, so people will going to show interest on your website, and they will they will going to engage on your website. So this is what I wanted to tell you. Okay, before we just go with the concept of creating answer, I just want you to tell one thing that is very much simple to understand. Okay, whenever you basically try to use Quora, and through Quora if you want to send the traffic to your website, so at that time always remember free materials always work. Okay, so always remember this concept that free material always work. Now whenever you send traffic from Quora to your website, so when any visitor from Quora to your website, when they will come on your website, so at that time you only have to give him some free content. Maybe you can just tell them to read blog. Now how you can make money here, that is the concept. See, here you are just to make money. Okay, you will not going to give anything for free to anyone, right? So here my friends, you can use Google AdSense. Okay, you can just put advertisement on your website. Okay, and here you can just put affiliate links as well. Inside blogs you can put affiliate links. So there are many ways through blogs you can make money. So here basically what you are doing is that when let's say you are sending traffic from Quora to website, so you are giving that visitor a free content, that is blog, and within your blog you are just making money with that visitor. Okay, there can be many things. You can just do online courses method as well, like I do. Okay, and inside online courses you can again put affiliate links, or you can just tell them to join your pro course, and there can be many ways. For example, if I just show you, for example, this is the free course. If I just show you my free course, okay, so let's wait for it to get open. Okay, let's say we just talk about, let's say, SEMrush. Okay, so SEMrush is an SEO tool, so it's a free course. So through basically Quora, okay, so through basically Quora I can send traffic on this particular course. What I can do, I can again just go here, search for SEMrush, and I will going to find the relevant question, okay, that is related to SEMrush, and I will going to write the answer that is related to this SEMrush course, okay, and then I will going to send the traffic to this particular topic. Now people will going to click on start learning. Now see how I will going to make money. Okay, so first thing is that here you can see this is affiliate link. So after throughout this lecture I have taught them just to create account. They can, I have provided the link below, okay, I have said that in this video, so they can just come, they will click here, and after they will going to click here when they will going to join, and when they will going to make payment after free trial. So I will going to make money. This is the first. I can even tell them to, hey, purchase the SEMrush masterclass, okay, this is the pro course, okay, so for that they have to get the membership. So this is another method for me to make money. Okay, so through online courses also you can make money. You can make them to download PDF, okay, and inside PDF you can just provide some affiliate links, or maybe your premium service link, okay, and there can be kind of a many method as well, right? And what you can do is that you can use the newsletter system. Okay, newsletter, that means you will just going to collect the emails of those people who are visiting to your website, okay, so you can just do email marketing, and you can just sell maybe anything, okay, any product or service. That product or service can be affiliate link or services as well, right? So my friends, plenty of methods you have, okay, but here you will find one thing very common. See, if we just talk about the read blog, it's free, okay, because as I told you that when a visitor will come from Quora to your website, what they want is the free things. First you have to build trust with the visitor who has visited from Quora to your website, okay, so you have to build trust inside that particular visitor. So you can just give them to read some free blogs, you can just give them some free online courses, or you can just give them some free PDF book to download, and you can even give them some free newsletter to join. So all these methods are totally free. So after you will do any one of these, okay, so your visitor will basically going to build trust on your brand, and he or she will going to make money for you on your website through Quora, right? So this is very much important, that free materials will always going to work for you. And some people, they just try to sell directly, okay, so suppose instead of this SEMrush, okay, this is a SEMrush, this is the premium course, okay, and this is the free course. Let me just close this, okay. So see, this is a free course for SEMrush, and this is a paid course for the SEMrush on my website, okay. So suppose from Quora, if I directly send the traffic on this particular course, so the thing is that he will just going to see this, and they will going to leave my website. So that's the problem, okay, because see, no one trusts on any new website, okay, you all know that, right? So that's why we first have to build trust. So the trust will only going to come when you will going to provide them, when they will come to your website at the first time. So when they will come on your website first time, and when you will going to provide them some free content, then only you can create trust inside that visitor for your particular business, and then only he or she will going to generate money for you. So this is what I just wanted to tell you, which is a very important task, okay. So if you just try to send that traffic to your paid subscription or service, or any of you, I can say any paid things, so the chances will be very less that they will going to purchase it. But some affiliate products are very much popular, okay. Let's say clean my Mac, okay. So in that case you cannot give something for free. So for example, here we have some product. Let me just show you my. So here you can see this is the product, that is Clean My Mac. Okay, so this is the products which people can buy, and this is already popular. So in that case, what you can do is that on your website you can mention the affiliate link for this particular product, so people will going to purchase it. So in that case, it's not necessary for you guys to provide them with some free content, because this tool is already popular. But when, let's say, you are just trying to sell them anything, so it's more suggested that try to give something free to them, that visitor gives something for free, then the chances are very high that they will going to make money for you. So this is what I just wanted to tell you, and always go with this particular method. It always works like a magic, believe me my friends. Okay, so this is what I just wanted to tell you. And for example, if your product is, let's say, related to fitness product, okay, or let's say it's related to weight loss, so in weight loss what you can do, you can simply just create, you all know that you might have some kind of, like in Microsoft they have Microsoft Word, okay, and in MacBook we have Pages. So you can just create one PDF book, right, for free. Just create one PDF book, give some detail about weight loss. You can just write the content with ChatGPT, okay, copy paste it, put some images, make that PDF attractive, and put affiliate link of any affiliate weight loss product, okay, on your PDF. So that is also a way to make money. So this method always going to work, that is free material. Okay, do not go with the direct paid method. That means do not send the Quora traffic to your website and don't ask them to make payment. They will not going to do that. Always give something for free when they will going to visit your website first time. So this is what I just wanted to tell you. So like why is that, I have found a very good question on Quora. It has only got one answer, okay, and it is getting good views. Okay, you can see it has just created 1 month ago, okay, and it is also getting a good views. That means I can just go ahead with this particular question. Now the thing is that I need to get something for free, as I have taught you need to have some free materials. So in this case I will going to give them this Google Tag Manager free course. Okay, so now what I need to do is that I need to just copy this question, right click and copy this question. Now just go to ChatGPT, and here you just need to write the answer. Okay, so what you can say is that create SEO optimized Quora answer for the question. Okay, this is the command which you have to give to ChatGPT, and then just put it then put the quotation, paste that question over here. Okay, let me just paste this question over here. Okay, now my friends, always remember that you have to see the first answer which is ranking. So I can see this is the answer, so I can just copy this. And now see, search engine always prefer, or let's say if you will first going to see here, we have written SEO optimized. Why SEO optimized? Because Quora questions also rank on Google or other search engines like Bing, Yahoo, right? So we always have to keep this SEO optimized. So so what ChatGPT will going to do is that it will going to create the answer, okay, in a such a way that SEO, or I can say search engines, will going to like that answer. Okay, so that's why we have written that. Now always just go to this tool, go to this tool, that is Word Counter. Okay, so just go to this tool, Word Counter. You can just go to the Word Counter tool and paste your competitors. Okay, so you will going to see that they have put or written the answer in 78 words. So you always have to remember that when you write the answer, so make sure that you write the answer in a very more words as compared to your competitors. So now my competitor has written only in 78 words. So what I can do is that I can just say to ChatGPT, just click on shift and enter. So it will take me to the next line, and here I can say write answer in, let's say, 500 words. Okay, and make it easy to understand. Okay, and then I will going to click on the enter button. So in this way, my friends, you have to use ChatGPT to write a proper answer, and also make sure that you always check your competitors how much word they have written. So whatever word they have written, you have to write more as compared to your competitors. Okay, so you can see ChatGPT is writing a complete answer for us. Okay, now we just need to copy paste this answer. Okay, but there are plenty of things which you have to remember. For example, we have told a lot about here. So we have got this particular content for and we have created using ChatGPT. So you always have to give this command, and you just have to change this under or between the quotation. Okay, you have to put that question for which you want to get the answer from ChatGPT. And second thing is that you always have to change the words according to your competitors, and then ChatGPT will going to generate a unique answer for you. Okay, so now my friends, always remember that whenever ChatGPT will going to generate answer for you, you always have to copy that answer. So you can just click on this button of copy. You can see, so automatically this whole content will be copied. Now you just need to type this. Okay, GPT for output detector. Okay, so just search for this one, and then you will going to find various tools. So you can just search for GPT-2 output detector, or you can just directly type here GPT-2. Okay, so you will going to get this website. So it is by OpenAI itself who has created ChatGPT. So just click on this particular tool. So now what we want to do is that we have to make sure that the content that ChatGPT has written is 100% real. Okay, in case if it is fake, so we have to use some other tool. So I will going to teach you about the other tool, but this tool will going to tell you that the content which you will which ChatGPT will going to generate for you, that content is real or fake. Okay, so we have to make sure that at least 80% should be real. Okay, so I will just go here, right click and click on paste. So now here you can see that my content, the content I've created with the ChatGPT is showing 96.41% the content is original, that means real. So this answer I can basically use on my Quora profile. Okay, so it's very simple, very easy. Okay, nothing complicated, and only 3.59% is fake. That's okay. Okay, so this number should be, this real number should be more than 80%. Okay, that means we are now got the permission to paste this answer on Quora. Okay, and you will not going to face any problem. In case if the fake percentage is very high, okay, so in that case, if you will paste that answer to Quora, so Quora may block your account, because Quora will detect that this answer has been generated by AI tool. So that is what we do not want. We first have to verify whether that answer is real or not. If it's real, we can just go ahead. Okay, and I can just go and click on this answer button, and I can just simply paste that answer over here. Okay, the answer that has been given by ChatGPT. Okay, let me just copy it again. Okay, so I will just paste it over, and I will just going to adjust the speed. I will remove some unwanted stuff. Okay, and these are the space. Okay. Okay, now another thing is that after you put or write the answer with the ChatGPT, so now you basically have to add some graphics, and you have to make this answer very much attractive. Okay, So you can even easily do that. Okay, I will going to tell you that how you can do that. But for now, let's say if in case if this particular tool will going to show the answer as a fake, so in that case what you can do? So now for that, what you can do is that you can just go to some rewrite tool. Okay, and you will find plenty of them. You can just open, let's say, any one of them, and after that tool will going to open. Here you just need to paste the content. Now why we are doing so, when your percentage will going to show, that means your the content. Okay, so this tool will going to rewrite the content. Okay, and then you can use that. Okay, so you can just simply click on this paste button and you can just rewrite. Okay, oops. Okay, so here is the rewrite article button. So now it will going to process the data, and it may take some of the time, but you guys do not have to worry about anything. Okay, okay, so almost done, and here you can see this is the new answer. So it will going to, so here you will going to find a new content. Okay, so you can just copy that and you can use this content and paste it on the Quora. Okay, and another thing which you guys can do is that you can just check the plagiarism as well before you just put that content on Quora. Okay, so now let's set the graphics and rephrase the answer. Okay, so you have to make it kind of more attractive. So you can just, let's say, make this particular anything bold. So you can just click on this edit button, you can make it bold, you can make the things in italic. Okay, and you can use the quotation, at the rate, links, okay, brackets as well. You can sum it up. There are plenty of things you can just undo and redo as well. Okay, like this. So Quora has given a lot of feature. You can even unlink these as well. Okay, why we are unlinking this one is that we do not basically want to put more than one links. Okay, and after you will going to do that, this is the answer. So you can make, let's say, you can just make these 4 points as a bold point. Okay, so you can just click on these 4 points, this will be turned to bold. You can just remove these particular points. Okay, and also you can make these bold points in bullet, or I can say bold. Even you can use the italic as well for this. Okay, and now my friends, it's very much important to add some kind of graphics. Okay, so for graphics you can just go to this link, that is my-link.in/Canva. Okay, just click on this particular tool and you will go to the Canva's website. Okay, and you can just go to see prices, and we will basically going to use the free one, but even you can just go ahead and you can choose the premium version as well. Okay, so free is always okay, but you can even use the premium version. But let's go ahead. I already have an account on the Canva. Okay, so I will just go to my account. You just need to sign up or log in, then you will come to the Canvas dashboard. And now first thing is that you just need to click on this create a design button, and from here you have to choose this YouTube thumbnail. Now why we are choosing YouTube thumbnail? Because this is the exact size that will going to fit on your answer. Okay, so we first have to put one image at very top. Okay, so for that we are just creating some kind of thumbnail. Okay, like in YouTube we have some kind of thumbnail. So similarly, whenever your answer will going to display, so at top if you will going to put the image here, so that image will going to act as a thumbnail. Okay, so I will just go here, and here I can just search for GTM, that is Google Tag Manager. In case I do not going to find that GTM logo, so I can use, you know, GTM logo, and I can just get one from Google itself. I will select that, and this is a good image, so I can just right click and I can just save this image. Great. Okay, and you can see that this is the image that has been, you know, created. I can just, you know, put this image to desktop, and you can see that you have this white background, and in case if you also want to remove this kind of background, so in that case you can just go to this background remover tool. Okay, because see, in Canva Pro basically you will going to get the option to remove the background, but you can use that for free with this website, remove background. Okay, you just need to upload the image, that is Google Tag Manager one, and this tool will automatically going to remove the background for absolutely free. So we can use that transparent background in our template. Okay, and you can see we can just download it, and you can see it's downloaded. Great. Okay, so let me just put that on the desktop. Okay, so now I will simply go to Canva template or Canva canvas. I can just upload it. I will select upload files. I will then go with the transparent one, which was this one. Sorry. Wait, let me just upload one. Actually, I have to select this one, that is PNG format. Okay, so this is the transparent, so I can use this image over here. Okay, and I can use some kind of, you know, template. Okay, like let's say let me just select some kind of template. Let me select this template. Okay, and then what I can do is that I can just go to upload. Oops. Okay, it's coming, and here I can just select this logo. I can just remove this one. So similarly you have to do this. Okay, you have to create an attractive thumbnail like this. Okay, and what was our question? It's related to, is Google Tag Manager paid? Okay, so I can just adjust the and write the answer. Okay, is Google Tag Manager is free? Put question mark. Okay, and I can just write here, and if I do not want this, I can simply remove that. I can put it to up, drag it to up like this, and in this way I have created a beautiful thumbnail. So I can just simply click on this share button. I can download it in the PNG format. Just download this particular image. Okay, so you can download it for free. Okay, so let's wait. It has been downloaded. I will go here, and this is the image that has been downloaded. Okay, so now I will going to upload this image here. Okay, so take your cursor here, and in case if your answer is something like this, so you can just take your cursor at front. Okay, here click on enter, so you will going to get space here. So here we have to upload it. Okay, so just put your cursor here, just click on this arrow, click on this image option, and here we have created this particular image. Okay, so if Google Tag Manager is free, okay, sorry, we have done mistake, but you can just improve that. Okay, and let me just move it to up like this. Okay, so it's successfully uploaded. Now my friends, we have, as a marketer, we have to get some benefit with this answer. right? Okay, so I have one free course. Okay, so I can just promote that. Now how I will going to promote that? I will just copy this link, right click and copy this link. Okay, I will go to the answer, and at, let's say, anywhere, you can even put that at end. Okay, like this, and here you can just paste the link. Okay, so you can see the link has been added here. Okay, and here, my friends, you have to create one more image. Now you can just go here. Okay, click on this plus button to add the image, and here you can say, so here basically you have to mention what you want the people to see. Okay, so here it's all about the marketing. Okay, so here I can say Google Tag Manager course for beginners. So I can say, do you want to learn Google Tag Manager? Okay, and just put it in the colors, or like this, put it over here. Okay, so it must look something very attractive, right? Okay, then I can say, I created free GTM or Google Tag Manager course. Okay, and I can now say, click on below link to watch free course. Okay, and I can say, no sign up or payment card required. Okay, I can just make it small. I can just drag it here like this. Okay, let me just put it here. Okay, click on the below link to watch the free course. Okay, so see, now what we are doing is that we are just making it very much attractive. Okay, so I can just go to elements. I can just go to elements, and I can just put some kind of these rectangles here. Okay, and let me just make it kind of very much visible. Okay, so I can now select the text like this, and I can just make the text red and bold. Okay, so you can see, now we are just trying to tell people that we have created a free course and they can join for free, and we have provided the link below. Now why we are doing and why we are creating image? There's one principle. See, if you try to write this thing, hey, I created free course, click on the link below to join the free course, so Quora tool will going to detect that you are trying to sell something. Okay, so in that case, that will be problem. So that's why we are using the image. When we use image, so Quora system will not be able to detect what you are doing. So that's the purpose we are doing this. Okay, so it's very much attractive. You can just make it, or you can use your creativity to make it more attractive, but I am just here to teach you. Okay, and then just click on this share button, click on this download button, and from here I just want to download the second image. I will done it. I will just going to download the image. That's it. Okay, and here you can see that this is the image that has been downloaded. Let me just put it here. Okay, and always remember, my friends, as we have told you, the free materials always work. Okay, so when you will going to use this free, okay, free, So then only people will going to take action. Okay, so first you have to give them any free material. It can be anything, blog, online course, PDF, newsletter, and anything. Then only you will going to get a good amount of sale, okay, through your marketing. And then I will go to that answer. I will put here the cursor. I will select the image. I will going to select the image. Okay, that's it. Wow, right? So you can see that this is what the image is. And in case if you want to paste the link again, you can just do that. Okay, and paste the link here. And now you can say thanks for reading my answer, hope it will help you. In case it has given some values to you, kindly upvote and share the answer. Okay, so you can even mention that. And after you will going to do that, just click on this post button. Now see, let me just click on this post button. Now see, what you have done is that you have created a complete answer. Is Google Tag Manager paid tool? Then you have put a beautiful image here, okay, thumbnail. So people will going to read a complete answer without any distraction. And then here they will going to see, do you want to learn Google Tag Manager? I created a free GTM course. Click on the link below to watch the free course. No sign up, no card required. You can change according to what material you are providing. Okay, according to that you can change the text and all. Okay, but make sure you provide something for free. Then they will just going to click on this link, and after they will going to click on this link, they will just go to your website, and then they will exactly go to the free material. And then inside that free material you can just provide, let's say, affiliate link. You can even run Google AdSense. You can even put some kind of sign up forms or newsletter form to capture their emails to do email marketing. Okay, so you can just do plenty of things. So in my case, I'm selling the course, so they will just go to the free course. They will just going to click on the start learning button, and then they will just come here. Okay, and then I have provided them that they can see all my courses, or even they can just go with the beginner to advanced course as well, because this course is for the beginners. But if they want to learn about the advanced, so they can just click here, and when they will going to click here, it will going to ask for the membership. Now when they will going to watch the free course, so they will automatically going to build some I can say some trust with my business. Okay, so the chances are very high that after watching the free course, if they will just go to my membership, so they can just click on this get membership, and they can just purchase the thing. Okay, so this is how the strategy works. So same you have to do with all the free content. Okay, so make sure you guys just follow this method. This will going to help you a lot, and that is what I just wanted to tell you. And use this method. Use the images. Never tell or never try to sell anything just by writing that on Quora. Otherwise Quora will going to detect that, and then you may be in trouble. Quora may ban your account as well. So use this method whenever you use ChatGPT. Use this method. It will of course going to help you. Okay, so this is how, my friends, you can basically use Quora. Okay, and one more thing, if we just talk about my course itself. Now in case if you want to learn about the Quora in very much detail, you can just go to the Quora, and here you can see you will going to get the social media marketing with Quora ads and Quora marketing. So this course is 3 hours, but of course when you will going to see this course, so at that time we will going to put more content, so it will be around 7 hours course, 7 to 8 hour course. Okay, so you can just get more knowledge about how you can use Quora with Quora ads as well, how you can sell your, if you have some e-commerce business, so in that case how you can sell the things with the Quora. So everything will be taught to you over here. Okay, so make sure you guys just come here in our website and just get benefit. It's not about selling you something. I'm not trying to sell you anything. I'm just here to help you, because see, with the membership you can just get tons of courses we have on our website. Okay, so many people just come, they just purchase a lifetime plan and they are very much happy. Okay, many people just say that they are very much happy. So you can see you will going to get tons and tons of courses, and if you try to buy these courses, so it will going to cost you. Okay, so you can just click on this sign up button. You can put the username, email, set your password, email and all, password, everything, and in the lifetime you can just use, let's say, 50 discount. Okay, just click on this apply button, and then you will only going to get this for the $49. You can just even pay with the PayPal as well. Okay, then select I'm not a robot, register yourself, make payment, and then you can just access all the content. Okay, and for some countries we do not are allowed to directly pay from our website, so in that case you can just go to this support article. For some countries we just accept payment manually. Okay, then you will see this type of unable to make payment by, so you can just click here button. And let's say if you are some country like if you belong to, let's say, India, Pakistan and Bangladesh, so for such countries, for some countries we do not accept payment directly from our website. So in that case you can just pay us manually. We will going to activate your plan within 24 hours. Okay, and especially if you are from India, so we have provided you the two separate links, that is by yearly or by lifetime. Okay, so by yearly in Indian currency it will be this one, that is $20, but it's showing $20 in the Indian currency, that is rupees 1600, and the lifetime plan is rupees 8200, and discount here you can again put 50 discount, so you will going to get a lifetime plan at a half cost. Okay, and let's say for some reason, let's say if you're from Bangladesh, Pakistan and any country, or maybe even if you're from, let's say, United States, and you might face some problem, okay, while doing the sign up, so even you can just pay from the first method, that is by yearly or by from the lifetime plan. Okay, so you can see yearly plan will be $20 per year, and the lifetime will be $99. You can just add 50 discount to get it at 50% off. Okay, that is $49. So you can just use this, it will just going to help you a lot, right? So this is what I wanted to tell you, my friends. Hope you guys have understood how you can deal with that, and make sure that not only the courses, you will also going to get some of the amazing stuff like 150,000 assets. Okay, so you can just explore all of them, it will just going to help you. Okay, you can just explore some softwares which we will going to give you, and plenty of other things. Okay, so you can just come to our website, explore it, it will just going to help you a lot. Okay, so now how you can promote your answer, that is very much important. Okay, so just click on the profile, and my friends, you will see your content and statistics. So basically here you will going to see the answer that you guys have written. Okay, so here you can see that this is the basically one answer which we have written. Okay, is Google Tag Manager a paid tool? So now if you want to promote it, how you can do that? So first thing is that you can just copy the link, and you can just share with different people. You can also click on the share button, and from here you can just share it to different people as well. Okay, from here. Okay, and another thing is that if you will just go here, okay, and if you will just go to settings, so basically first thing is that you have to connect your Twitter account and Facebook, then you can also share your answer on that. Okay, so if you will just go to your content and views, so here you will going to see the option to basically share on your Twitter and Facebook after you will going to connect that. But main thing is the Quora ads. So Quora ads is also amazing platform. So you can just click on this ads manager. So if you will come at the very first time, so it may ask you some kind of pop-up. Just answer that and write whatever you want. So you can use the traffic campaign. So basically traffic campaign is very much easy. You do not require to set up any kind of stuff. So you can just simply click on this new campaign. Okay, and in the traffic campaign you basically do not require basically anything like tracking events and all. And if you wanted to learn about this Quora ads, so make sure that you just check out the Quora ads course. I will also going to provide the link for that course in the bonus lesson of this course, so make sure you guys check that as well. Okay, but here you can just search for Quora. You will going to see that complete course. Now when you will going to see or come to my website, so at that time this course will be of 7 hours. So we will going to add a lot of fresh content, completely fresh content to this course. But make sure you just come here and you just check out this course. Okay, so here inside this course we will going to teach you each and everything, like how to set up campaigns, how to set up pixels and everything. So you guys do not have to worry. Okay, so first thing is that you need to click on new campaign, just select the traffic. Now my answer, this is my answer. So you can just see your answer from your statistics, from your content and statistics. Okay, so for example this is the answer. So I will just going to select this one. This was my answer. Okay, I will just go here, and I can just say GTM, because my topic is related to GTM. That means my answer is related to GTM, Google Tag Manager. So I can just write here traffic. Okay, and then you can just set the budget. It may show you in your currency. Okay, so you can just start with $5. Just click on this continue button from the bottom, and then here you can just set GTM ad set. Okay, now what is this? What are all these things? Okay, so basically Quora Ads is a platform where you can just pay to Quora to show the advertisement of yours throughout the Quora platform. Now it's not basically possible for me to teach you about the Quora ads here, so make sure you just check out these courses to understand what is this campaign ad set and all. But in simple I am giving you here. Okay, I'm just teaching you. So targeting, you can just set it to any country. For example, you only want to target to, let's say, United States. So you can just choose United States country. If you only wanted to target to India, so you can even select India. Or if you wanted to target to multiple countries, just select that. For example, I also wanted to target to United Kingdom. Okay, like that. And from here you can just choose a contextual. That is very easy to set up. From the topics I can just choose Google Tag Manager. Okay, so Quora will of course going to give me related tags. Okay, so I can just select all of them if that is related to my product. Okay, and then you do not have to do anything, and then it will also going to show you cost per click and cost per impression. Now what is that? We will not going to teach you in this free course because it requires a lots of time. Okay, but you can always go with the cost per click. Then just click on this continue button. Okay, and here you can just write the ad name, and from here you can just select promote and answer. Okay, so you can just paste the link of your answer. So for example, in my case, this is my answer. I will just scroll down. I will click on these three dots. I will just copy the link. I will go here, right click and paste the link. So Quora will fetch up this answer like this. Okay, so people will going to see this answer through the ads. Okay, throughout the Quora account. And when they will just read the answer, they can just click on your marketing link, which is this one, free course or any free thing you're offering. And in this way, my friends, you can even promote the answer and people will going to read it more and more. Okay, and then they can just click on your marketing objective. Okay, and then just click on this continue button, just put your payment details, and then ad will going to go with review from the Quora team, and when everything will be right, Quora will going to approve it and your ads will start going to run. Okay, so in this way, my friends, you can just promote the answer through Quora ads. Okay,